Have you ever seen those luxury marble floors or countertops with soft flowing veins, natural depth, elegant patterns that look like stone formed over years? And then you see an epoxy version that looks exactly the same, glossy, seamless modern, and you think, how is that even possible? Here's the truth. A perfect marble epoxy effect is not random. It's controlled, it's subtle, and most importantly, it's about restraint. Welcome back to Hanon Epoxy, Hanon Resin and Craft. In today's video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to create a realistic marble epoxy design, how to control veins and patterns, how to choose the right colors, how to avoid the fake marble look, and how professionals create that premium finish. Let's begin. Part 1. Understanding marble effect. Before we start, we need to understand what makes marble look real. Real marble characteristics: soft veins, random movement, layered depth, subtle contrast, natural imperfections. Beginner mistake: making marble too perfect. Straight lines, heavy contrast, too many colors. Result: it looks artificial. Professional rule: marble is elegant, not loud. Part 2. Materials you need. Let's prepare properly. Essential materials: epoxy resin, coating epoxy recommended. Hardener, colors: white base, black, gray, optional, gold or metallic pigments. Beige tones. Tools: mixing cups, stir sticks, brushes thin and soft, feather or plastic sheet, heat gun or hair dryer, spatula. Surface: concrete floor, MDF, wood panel. Pro tip: smooth surfaces give cleaner marble results. Part 3. Surface preparation. This step defines everything. Steps: sand or grind surface. Remove all dust. Apply primer. Base coat. Apply white or light color base. Why? Marble designs require a bright background. Key takeaway: clean base equals clean design. Part 4. Color strategy. This is where professionals separate themselves. Main colors: white main body, gray soft depth, black veins. Optional: gold luxury accent. Rule: less is more. Pro tip: use limited colors for realism. Part 5. Mixing epoxy. Let's do it properly. Step 1. Measure. Follow exact ratio. Step 2. Mix slowly. 3 to 5 minutes. Scrape sides and bottom. Step 3. Wait. Let epoxy rest for 3 to 5 minutes. Step 4. Divide into cups. Separate for each color. Step 5. Add pigments. Mix gently. Key takeaway: clean mixing equals smooth finish. Part 6. Applying the base layer. Start with your foundation. Step: pour white epoxy evenly. Tool: use squeegee or spatula. Result: smooth, level surface. Important: do not overwork. Part 7. Creating marble veins. Now, the most important part. Step 1. Use black or gray epoxy. Step 2. Draw thin, irregular lines. Rule: keep lines random. Step 3. Break lines occasionally. Result: natural stone look. Pro tip: avoid straight lines. Part 8. Softening the veins. This is where realism happens. Tools: brush, feather, air, blower or heat gun. Technique: lightly drag across veins. Result: soft, natural blending. Key takeaway: sharp veins equals fake. Soft veins equals real. Part 9. Adding depth. To create premium marble. Techniques: layer colors. Add subtle gray shading. Stretch veins. Optional. Add gold highlights. Result: luxury finish. Part 10. Using heat. Heat is optional but powerful. Purpose: softens epoxy. Helps blending. Warning: do not overheat. Result: smooth transitions. Part 11. Balance and composition. Step back and observe. Check: too many veins? Too dark? Too busy? Fix: add more white if needed. Professional skill: knowing when to stop. Part 12. Curing process. Let epoxy cure properly. Conditions: dust-free, stable temperature. Time: 24 to 48 hours touch dry. Full cure in several days. Important, do not touch. Part 13, optional top coat. For a premium finish. Apply. Clear epoxy top coat. Result, glossy marble look. Part 14, common mistakes. Avoid these. Too many veins. Straight lines. Overblending. Using too many colors. Rushing. Result, artificial design. Part 15, pro tips. Here's what professionals do differently. Study real marble patterns. Use minimal colors. Work slowly. Keep designs soft. Stop early. Mindset, you are imitating nature, not drawing lines. Final message. Marble epoxy is not about complexity. It's about control. It's about subtlety. It's about patience. At Hanon Epoxy, Hanon Resin and Craft, we don't just create designs. We create professional-level results. If you found this video valuable, subscribe to Hanon Epoxy. Like the video, share it with someone learning epoxy. We are also building members-only content where we go deeper into advanced techniques, real projects, and business strategies. If you want to grow faster, consider becoming a member. And I'm still waiting for my first super thanks. If you want to support the channel, I truly appreciate it. Be one of the unforgettable viewers from the beginning. Remember, epoxy is not just material, it's technique. And when technique meets patience, you get perfection. I'll see you in the next video.